This video in the Language, Thought and Communication unit is going to look at our view of the world. So in this video, you've got to understand how language and thought affect how we view the world. In particular, you've got to know how it affects how we recall events and how we recognize colors. So the first we're going to look at is how it affects our recall of events. And to do this, they studied Native American cultures to see whether language influences the way that people think. And they studied one group in particular, the Hopi Native Americans. Now what they did is they compared their language to European languages, and they found that the Hopi language was a timeless language. By that it means that they didn't distinguish between the past, the present and the future. So their language influenced the way that they think about time. Now this would mean that cultures with different languages and different words and vocabulary all have different ways of thinking and understanding things, because our language affects how we think. Now with recognition of colors, they looked at and studied a different group of Native Americans. So these were the Zuni people, who only had one word for shades of yellow and orange. And the hypothesis here is that if a color word is absent from a language, so if they don't have a word for that color, then they're going to have difficulty recalling it and recognizing it. And they did a few studies with this particular culture, and they found that the Zuni tribe had difficulty recognizing and recalling these colors, the colors yellow and orange. And this suggests that a lack of words for these different colors caused this particular issue.